Sherry pé mo ti fẹ́ lọ sùn, okay? Ṣeun Kuti, I'm coming back for you. Mo ń bọ̀ wá bẹ́ẹ̀. Your update, I laughed tired. I want to go and buy fair. No. No. Buhari's children. Ṣeun Kuti. He say you Nigerians. If una no support me, come, who cares? You that you can support rape. He said Nigerian people, they support rape, they supported rape. They back any rape victim. I mean, any rapist, they used to back support rapists. And so, you that you can support. I want to go and buy fair. No. I'm coming back for you. Yeah. Our sister actress, sweet sister actress Lola Alao. Eshe mi gan. I just spotted your updates. Nah. Sherry Antiwa, our sweet actress, you're so sweet. Your husband is lucky. Cause see, there's nobody that doesn't have what is like beefing towards others. But it's not the beefing of, many times when people try to use the word beef, what they really means is like jealous or grudge. But I'm trying to say is that okay? Let me start from the beginning, ma. Sherry came before I watch actress Iyabo Ojo, which I happen to be a bigger fan of her. Before I watch her own reaction towards Baba Jesha's act, that's why that Baba Jesha has been arrested. As Iyabo's issue has gone viral, people coming for him, throwing at her, but they explain why they were against her before they later sent that video, how she acted at the Kirikiri or police station with Adetun and Princess and all of that. But when I watched that video before God and man, despite that Iyabo tí ẹ ló pọ̀ jù tó dẹ̀ front tó dẹ̀ dúró lórí pé ṣé tó bá le jù máa commit murder. Wallahi lazim mo fi Ọlọ́run búra. I did not believe Iyabo Ojo. I know she didn't mean it. But Iyabo's haters and those who were not her haters come in conjunction together, begin to nail especially Iyabo Ojo. But àwọn ọ̀tẹ̀ pọ̀ gan láàrin wọn kan tí mo rí nìyẹn. Do you understand? But me, I know my own mind. Mo mọ̀nú tèmi pé gbogbo nǹkan táwọn adé tó ń ṣe yẹn, àwọn princess, gbogbo what they didn't mean it. They might be angry. Everybody is angry. For instance, me, I'm not among those who support Baba Jesha. And you know my job. Even if it's just one, you will have seen me on social media when I updated about your late friend's children. Do you understand? So, me in particular, I do not support Baba Jesha. But when I notice a lot of people that supported Baba Jesha, the pains they are going through and the passion, I maintain my silence. Not that I leak ass. Not that I'm afraid of anybody. Do you understand? I understand that there is always two sides to a coin. We don't have to reason along. But Amy, I have only one issue, bring the more bring up. I only have one daughter. I cannot support whether it was set up or it wasn't set up. We did it intentionally. I cannot support Baba Jesha. But still, I did not come out. Do you understand? Being abusive to those who support Baba Jesha. So, but first thing I watched about Iyabo Ojo's own was when she was saying, jẹ́ kí n dancing alone. Meanwhile, I have watched our sweetest, Sister Buki Black, actress Sister Buki Black too. I'm a bigger fan of all of una. Do you understand? Especially Sister Buki Black. I've watched her updates. And when I clicked her updates, objecting Iyabo Ojo, the first thing that came to my mind was that, this our sweet auntie, where have you been all this while? Because my entire family have really missed her. Do you understand? We even thought she was a younger sister to late Alade Aromire. So Auntie Ire, I don't know that her name is Buki, but I love her so much. I was so happy. Then I saw that she was perplexed in the spirit. She believed what Iyabo Ojo was demonstrating in anger. So she came for Iyabo Ojo. Ejeka Sototo is a normal thing. And thank God for somebody like that. She said her mind, even though she might be taunting Iyabo Ojo, if you want to kill him. Me that I know Baba Ijesha very well, that it's not promiscuous. I've seen him many times. even your Iyabo Ojo, my sweet Auntie Lolala, I respect you so much. Do you understand? Your Iyabo Ojo came out. She said all sort of around kami báyìí ni pé bóyá bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ó ti ń gbọ́n ṣẹ́yìn wò. Many things like that. Kò sí nǹkan táwọn were aware of. To me, it was so ridiculous and so disrespectful, but I did not talk. I believe it's between. Do you understand? I can come out and solicit for any one of them, but I did not come out. Even my mom was telling me to come and put them in caution. I'm sure it wouldn't have gotten this far, but I said it's a normal thing. It is Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà that puts everybody into this mess, including we. But I will not believe my eyes yesterday. Auntie Lolala ò ṣe ń gbọ́ mi. Mo kàn read this our auntie actress Bukky Black again. I click that update. Mo dẹ̀ gbọ́. She did not mention a way to be precise, but àwọn tí wọ́n ń dárúkọ àti shade, you will know that they are from the caucus of Ewe. So when she mentioned Iya Ibadan, I was so much disappointed. Do you understand? To ibi tèmi máa ń gbé èèyàn sí, even till now I've not watched Iya Ibadan's update to watch his update for this woman. No. Sherry, I want to use this moment to talk to Iya Ibadan of Mama Ewe. Sherry, ní ọgbọ́n ọmọ kékeré tèmi, even kọ́ gbẹ́jọ́ èèyàn wá bá mi, téèyàn ò bá ta sí mi rí, wọ́n kórin social media ẹ̀. Èèyàn kan wà tó jẹ́ ojúlówó ọmọ màmá ń bẹ̀yẹ, but kò fi gbogbo taratara jọ́ ọmọ, I won't mention her name. Wọ́n ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ gúnlégúnlé, but if I remember one thing, pé to this person respect me, even though the allegations against her were wrong. Èmi máa ń respect téèyàn bá fún mi ní ọ̀wọ̀ tèmi, tó fi mí sáàyè mi. I will never come for you when anybody is coming for you. It does not mean I'm licking her story. That ọ̀wọ̀, that respect alone you are giving me, I'm not feeding you. But o máa ń fún mi ní ọ̀wọ̀ tèmi pé mo pé bó ṣe máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ lady yẹn tó pé ó ṣe bá. I used to think that lady yóò ta sí mi rí. Kí ló lè mú Ìyá Ìbàdàn because of Ìyábọ̀ Òjó? Even Ìyábọ̀ Òjó bí mo ṣe kó Ìyábọ̀ Òjó jẹ tó, despite that I love Ìyábọ̀ Òjó so much, kò lè mú mi ta sí Bukky Black. Kí ló dé? Ìyá Ìbàdàn kí ló dé, kí ló le tó bẹ́ẹ̀, kí lẹ̀ ń fà tó le tó yìí, kí ló dé? Ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé obìnrin lèmi náà, mo mọ àṣírí àwọn obìnrin, èmi mọ bó ṣe ń lọ, ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ fún yín, ẹ gbàgbé bó ṣe happen. So I saw Mama again. Mama updated, Mama bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ta sí actress Bukky Black pé kó má mú táwọn ọmọ. Mama, ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ tó kò sí bó ṣe ní drag you into it. If I am Bukky Black, I will do more than that. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ tòótọ́ kan fún yín, because èèyàn máa ro normally pé báwo ni ẹni yóò ṣe ní mọ̀ nbẹ̀, ṣe báwọn ni president wọn, even if she didn't come out for me. Then èmi ò tiẹ̀ rí bí mo ṣe current tó yìí, mi ìrírú àwọn blogging bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn about tí Ìyá Ìbàdàn yẹn bá máa blog á já wọn tó jẹ́ pé opponent wọn tọ́jọ́ wà fracas. Do you understand? So mi tí ìwọ update Ìyá Ìbàdàn gbogbo nǹkan tí lady yẹn sọ débi gbogbo nǹkan tó pass through in the past tẹ́mi go mọ̀ tẹ́mi ò gbọ́ rí. Ṣé dé rí Auntie Lolala, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ nǹkan kan. Lady yìí Bukky Black yìí, èmi máa ń wo nǹkan kan mọ́yàn láyùsù kò ń ṣo ní wàhálà. She's not a troublesome somebody. On social media, if not for Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà case, we are all human beings. Maybe the way she first attacked Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, maybe she's wrong. But me, I don't see it that way. Even Ìyábọ̀ Òjó that was claiming that I will commit murder, it has happened to me before. The way people are blaming Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, me, I did not see Ìyábọ̀ Òjó like that. We are all human beings, but that does not mean Ìyábọ̀ Òjó is not wrong. That does not mean actress Bukky Black is not wrong. That does not mean even you, Auntie Lolala, is not wrong. You now came out believing you are defending your baby sis, actress Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. See how you talk to. Shebi you too said it that she should have called Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. You too, why can't you call Cherry? Conspiracy from your own side or from your own perspective, man, from your own impact so far in this issue, I smell a little bit. It might be 25% of conspiracy. You also exclaimed, man, that she should, as an elder person, she's supposed to have called Ìyábọ̀ Òjó on phone, like our Daddy Olofano called her, and Daddy Olofano exclaimed that Ìyábọ̀ Òjó was rude to him. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ ọ̀bọ̀rọ̀ ṣe lọ. Mi ò dẹ̀ expect Ìyá Ìbàdàn sí nǹkan tí but because lady yìí nǹkan kò gbé yín do you understand ṣé tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó bá tẹ̀ fẹ́ máa sá sẹ́yìn blogger which I'm highly disappointed. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, I did not say you should not be making friends with social. It's your life, you're an adult. But me or any professional blogger will say obìnrin even if Bukky Black okay nísìnyí ó ti wá dirty Bukky Black náà jáde tán pátápátá ṣé ni mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní wo woman ẹ̀ pé ṣé lady náà ti ń ṣe fracas tipẹ́ ni. Do you understand? But from my explanation, you will know that she too, she's familiar, like me too, that I'm not a novice, that I watch everybody on social media. You will know that she too, she's current on social media. Because she said it as a shade, truly, that they will say they have been blogging for 12 years. It is like, it is true she said that. That is how I know that, she's talking to me. So, come on, that be away, man. So, kò sí ní lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta igan you go and watch my latest updates ma with all due respect mo wá fáwọn èèyàn gan and mi ò dẹ̀ rí lẹ́ mo ṣe I'm still, do you understand, mo tún warm up ma because nobody is feeding me and yet they want to dominate my life. Ever see I'm on social media, nobody has even come to common encouragement, not to even share common encouragement pé hello girl, just to say hi, keeping, do you understand, and still they want to dominate. So Ìyá Ìbàdàn ẹ wo Ọlọ́run, God will be with every one of us. Lọ́gbọ́n ọmọdé tèmi téyàn ò bá ta síyàn rí tí nǹkan kò pààyàn pọ̀, no matter what you might have had, ẹ̀yin gángan lẹ fa gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tí wọ́n fi ní àǹtí yẹn ó ń drag Ìyábọ̀, ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kí ní Ìyábọ̀ ní ṣé tó bá ń bú àǹtí yẹn tó ń kí pọ̀ ipò gbá àǹtí yẹn fún àǹtí yẹn ṣáǹtí yẹn á máa wò ní ẹgbẹ́ àǹtí Lọlá, listen to what she said, Ìyá Ìbàdàn, people it was even calling in show, and this was how it is ní táìmù ti Lizzy Anjorin àti kinní náà tẹ máa lẹ́ ń gbèsè yàn kan lẹ́yìn tẹ máa kí ló dé tá nílé mímọ́ lórí social media torí pé àwọn kan mọ blogger, àwọn tí ò wá mọ blogger tó lè lọ bá blogger wọn ò ní gbé. Let's be sincere. Why being sentimental? Why? Bí mo ṣe why as a woman, àwọn battle kan tiẹ̀ wà that I will be so shameless to start calling people. No matter even if I'm going to pay you for it, to solicit for me, it will be so shameless. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, if you have something against Bukky Black, that is a minor thing. No matter, tẹ́ bá fẹ́ jọ, that's why I say she's far older than you. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ jọ wojú ara yín kẹjọ tutọ́ síra yín lójú. Àìmọye àwọn tó ti ṣe rẹ́rìí lórí kínní. It happened between actresses Anjorin and Aunty Ronke Oshodi. They later squashed it. We have even seen bigger ones more than this. You don't have to go and hide behind of a blogger. Hey, you cannot say that auntie should be looking. Let's be sincere. Ìkọ́ tèmi dẹ̀ gbọ́ pọ́ ní tí rí update Ìyá Ìbàdàn ọkọ̀ ó jọ mí lójú wàláì. I don't expect such from Ìyá Ìbàdàn. Wàláì lazim. Kí ló dé? Obìnrin dẹ̀ ní gbogbo wa. Àmọ́ we know. Do you understand? Èmi mọ̀ nǹkan tó lè fà eléyìí. I know how we women we can be a mímọ́ tó lè fà á, but I don't need to, not that kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó gọ́gọ́ ló fà á. Ìyá Ìbàdàn ṣe ń gbọ́ mi. You are not kì í ṣe Ìyábọ̀ gọ́gọ́ lè ń support. Even though people might have Ìyábọ̀ Òjó accept my say you should come out for her. Èmi mọ̀ nínú tèmi mo lè ṣe pé sí. You are not, there's something else. I gotta go. So Aunty Lola now, you don't need that update. You cannot blame Bukky Black. Gbogbo wa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà yìí, gbogbo wa láti ṣe. And it is Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà that brought this upon us, all us. We are not, do you understand? We are faultless. It's not our fault. The fault in this matter is that we love Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà, and she took that love for granted. So let's take the blame on Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà. It's not everybody's fault. What you did, actress Aunty Lola, ó dùn mí o. You now ṣe gbáriwo woman yẹn rí lórí social media ni. And that Aunty Bukky Black, despite that she's a celebrity, have you ever spotted her? Ó forí ara ẹ̀ pamọ́ jẹ́jẹ́ ni. Ẹ̀yin náà, have you ever spotted you on social media? If not for interview, if not for any recent thing that Holy Spirit said maybe we must hear about you. Kò dá now, before I can come for somebody, màá ti máa wọ ẹni yẹn pé ṣó ní wàhálà kan ni. Ẹni tó yẹ pé ó súnmọ́ àwọn ewé tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ létí mi gúlegúle lẹ́jọ́ mẹ́ta tí mo gbọ́ pé kíní. ẹni yẹn jó ní wàhálà lóòótọ́ but ó fún mi ní ọ̀wọ̀ tèmi mo máa ń kó jẹ ni do you understand tó bá fún mi ní ọ̀wọ̀ mi ọlọ́run ò bá against yẹ I will maintain my lane I gotta go respect ọlọ́run mi ò ní ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kí n do you understand mo ń sọ fún yín bí mind mi ṣe tó ọlọ́run do you understand I love you guys ṣe.